Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today, we will learn pronouns for present tense, orders and pronouns for orders. Make sure you have strong grip on the pronouns for past tenses which we have taught in our previous lecture. So without wasting any more time, let's hop onto our 7th lecture. To write pronouns for present tenses we use
يضرب.
he, alone, beats or he, alone, will beat.
يضربان.
They both beat or they both will beat.
يضربون.
They all beat or they all will beat.
تضرب.
She, alone, beats or she, alone, will beat.
تضربان.
They both, female, beat or they both, female, will beat.
يضربن.
They all, female, beat or they all, female, will beat.
تضرب.
You, alone male, beats or you, alone male, will beat.
تضربان.
You both, male, beat or you both, male, will beat.
تضربون.
You all, male, beat or you all, male, will beat.
تضربين.
You, alone female, beats or you, alone female, will beat.
تضربان.
You both, female, beat or you both, female, will beat.
تضربن.
You all, female, beat or you all, female, will beat.
غضرب.
I beat or I will beat.
غضرب.
We beat or we will beat. Let's practice these pronouns. Pause the video and make pronouns for these words in present tenses. Adding pressure in words. The words taught up till now does not express anger or surety. For that we. Rule 1, add lam with zabr on it as first letter. Rule 2, add noon in the end with zabr and tajdeed on it. For example.
تسأل.
You will be asked questions.
لا تسألن.
You will definitely, with full surety, be asked questions. And.
تضرب.
You will be beat.
لا تضربن.
You will definitely, with full surety, be beat. These are used very few times in the Quran, so just keep these rules in mind so you don't get confused. Orders. How to give orders, that is do this and do that, in Arabic. For that we follow 3 rules. Rule 1, remove the first letter. Rule 2, replace zer or zabr or pesh from the end with sakin or, if there is noon in the end, then remove it. Rule 3, if first letter consists of sakin then put aleph in the starting. Note that orders are only in present or future tense. Words from past tense cannot be used. Also the word can be a singular or a plural. Let's see some examples.
تضرب.
Becomes.
ضرب.
When applied to first rule. When the second and third rule is applied, it becomes.
اضرب.
Which means, go, alone, and beat. Same goes for.
يضربون.
Which becomes.
اضربوا.
Which means, go all and beat. Same goes for.
يكتسب.
Which becomes.
مكتسب.
Which means, go, alone, and earn. Same goes for.
يتكلف.
However rule 3 is not applied since there is no sakin in the starting. Therefore.
يتكلف.
Becomes.
تكلف.
which means you, alone, be in tension. Note that second rule does not apply on two pronouns which are
تضربن.
and.
يضربن.
Pronouns for orders. Pronouns for orders are written as
اضربوا.
go alone, male, and beat.
اضربا.
Go both, male, and beat.
اضربوا.
Go all, male, and beat.
اضربت.
Go alone, female, and beat.
اضربا.
Go both, female, and beat.
اضربن.
Go all, female, and beat. Practice questions. First convert these words into orders and then convert them into all 6 pronouns for orders. That's it for today. This was the 7th lecture of Arabic grammar. There are total 10 lectures for the grammar part. Then we will start vocabulary and then practice by translation and tafsir of verses from the Quran. You can make your own notes if you like, or you can access our lecture notes from our website Tafseer-e-Quran. Just search for Tafseer-e-Quran 20 Days Challenge or click on the link in description. Till then, Allah Hafez.